Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello there. My name is Muhammad Agil Aziz al-Hany with study ID number 102120101 and 5. I'm a student of the English Education Department, University of Tanjung Pura. On this occasion, I am going to talk about one of my subjects. It is speaking for transactional functions. So I'm going to show you some of the gambits of transactional conversations that I have learned in this subject. So let's just check it out. There are at least 11 parts of the gambit of transactional conversations that you can use. The first part is starting the conversations. If you want to start a conversation for a transactional functions, you can use this example. I would like to focus on blah 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 in our conversations because blah blah blah. And the second part is asking for your partner's opinions or engaging the other person. You can use this example. I'm curious to hear what your opinion is on that. And the third, agreeing with your partner. If you agree with your partner's opinion, you can use this. You're right. It cannot be denied that blah blah blah. The fourth, having reservations or disagreeing with your partner. Well, if you don't agree with your partner, you can use this example. I'm sorry, but that is not the way I see it. The fifth, asking for clarifications. You can use, I'm sorry, could you repeat what you just said? The sixth is interrupting politely. Well, if you want to interrupt your partner, you can use, hey, sorry to interrupt you, but blah 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 blah. The seventh, referring to an earlier point, you can use of this example. What you said earlier was blah 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 blah. The eighth, taking the conversations in new directions. You can choose this. I would like to bring up another issue. The ninth, playing for time. So, what are you saying is blah blah blah. The tenth, summarizing. You can use this. We have spent a lot of time talking about blah blah blah. Let's see where we agree and where we disagree. And the last is ending a conversation. If you want to end your conversations, you can use this example. We are almost finished, and I would like to bravely blah 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 blah. Well, those are the parts of the gambit of transactional conversations. And now, I would like to give an example of using those parts in the conversations. So, let's get started. In these conversations, I'm going to bring up an issue about a working student. Happy watching. Hey dude, what's up? Oh, hey! All the better for seeing you. Can I ask you something? I would like to focus on Object Online because I heard that you are working at Maxim now. What's the difference between Maxim and the other Object Online like Grab and Gojek? Yeah, that's true. I'm working at Maxim now. And actually, they are the same as Gojek Online, but in Maxim, the fee is cheaper than Grab and Gojek. How do you feel about working at Maxim? Why you don't choose Grab or Gojek? I choose Maxim because it's easy to register. Also, the income is less than Grab and Gojek. You're right. It cannot be denied that Maxim is cheaper than Gojek or Grab, but in Maxim, it's harder to use than Grab and Gojek. I'm not sure you're on the right track when you say that Maxim is hard to use because it's so simple. You just need to write down what is your order and set the locations and done. Then just wait until your order comes. That's simple. I'm sorry, could you repeat what just you say? I said just write down your order, set the locations, and then wait until your order comes, and then pay the driver. Done. That's simple. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I still don't understand how to use it. Oh, let me show you. Here. Oh, I get it. What you said earlier was like this. Thank you. Oh, it's okay. By the way, I would like to bring up another issue. I know you are a student and a worker too. How can you divide your time between work and study? Honestly, it's kinda hard to work and study at the same moment, but if I don't work, I can't continue my studies. So I have to be creative in dividing my time between work and study. And of course, I can't be lazy. Am I right in thinking that you mean you have problem with finance? Yeah, can be said like that. In a nutshell, you work for a college, isn't it? I think that's all. Thank you for your time. See ya. Oh, yeah, sure. Okay. I also have to pick up a passengers now. Bye. Okay, guys. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like this video. And see ya in the next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.